Hi first grade, it's Miss Jackie again. I had so much fun with you on fractions last week. This week we're going to try something new. This week we're learning about surveys. So you just watched a video of a friend taking a survey of their other friends on what kind of fruit they liked. So after watching that video, what do you think a survey is? Yeah, I heard some really great ideas. A survey is when you have a question that you want to ask people and you give them choices of what they can pick for that question and you see how many people like each option. So a survey you all took this week was, would you rather be an eagle or a whale? So let's look at what each class answered and how many wanted each option. So for my class 1A, I asked, would you rather be an eagle or a whale? And which do you think more people in 1A wanted? Do you think more wanted to be an eagle or a whale? You might be right. Let's count and find out. So I used stars to show how many people wanted to be an eagle and how many wanted to be a whale. So let's count. Eagle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whale, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now I've written my total for eagle is 9 and my total for people who wanted to be a whale is 8. So now I want to know how many people took my survey in all from 1A. So what I'm going to do to find out is I'm going to add the total who chose eagle and the total who chose whale to see how many people in all answered my survey. So I'm going to ask 9 plus 8 equals my total people who took the survey. Now, one way to find this out is I can count all of the stars that are in my chart. So I'm going to count on. So I already know there are 9 stars here. So I'm going to count on from 9. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So I have 17 stars in my chart in all. And that means that 17 friends from my class took this survey. Now let's look at 1B. So now I have 1B's answers to would you rather be an eagle or a whale? Which do you think had more answers, eagle or whale? Let's count to see if you're right. So eagle had, and this time instead of stars, I used hearts to show how many are in each option. So how many are in each category. When we have a survey, each option is called a category. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's count whale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they had the same amount for eagle and whale. So let's record. So for 1B, they had the same amount of friends who chose eagle and whale. So now we want to find out how many people took the survey in all. So we're going to add how many people chose eagle and how many people chose whale. So we're going to write 6 plus 6. Now for this, I can use my doubles facts. I can remember what is 6 plus 6, or I can count on, just like I did last time. So I'm going to use my doubles facts, and I know that 6 plus 6 is 12. So in 1B, 12 people took our survey in all. 6 wanted to be an eagle and 6 wanted to be a whale. Now let's look at 1C. Now we have 1C. Now I want to fill in how many for eagle and how many whale for 1C with you, because I'm going to show you how to use tally marks. So for 1C, I have 8 friends who wanted to be an eagle. So I'm going to use tally marks to do it. So I'm going to count as I write lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then with tally marks, when you get to 4, 5 is not another line. It's a diagonal line like this. So 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 across. 6, 7, 8. So I have my total 8. Now for whale, they had 5 friends who chose whale. So we're going to do the tally marks again together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 is the line across. So the total is 5. So for tally marks, this is going to make it a lot easier to count the total, because we can use what we learned in May with Miss Shelby about counting by 5s to count the total people who took the survey in 1C. So we're going to count 5, 10, and then we're going to count the ones left over. 11, 12, 13. And there you have it. So for 1C, our answer to how many people took the survey is 13, because we counted our tally marks to find 13. So 8 plus 5 is 13. So now that I have my information from my survey, I know how many people chose eagle and how many chose whale. I'm going to answer some questions about the survey. So first question, how many people chose option 1? Option 1 is the one on the left. So this is option 1 and this is option 2. So when you're writing your own survey, it'll say option 1 up here and option 2, so it won't be confusing. But for now, eagle is option 1. So how many people chose option 1? Can you tell me? How many people chose option 1? You're right, 8 people. Now, how many people chose option 2? So option 2 for this survey is whale. How many people wanted to be a whale in 1C? You're right, 5 people. Now, which option did people like more? So we had friends who wanted eagle and friends who wanted whale, but which option did people like more? So which option had the most answers? You're right, eagle, because 8, we can see, is more than 5. So our answer for 1C is eagle. Now, this one you can come up with on your own. What surprised or interested you? Now for me, what was surprising and interesting about this for 1C is I was interested that more people wanted to be an eagle. I found that very interesting. I thought that more people would want to be a whale, so that answer was surprising to me. So when you're filling yours out, you can say what surprised or interested you. It's your opinion, which means it's whatever you think. So now that you have watched a video of somebody filling out a survey and asking their friends questions for a survey, and you watched me answer questions about a survey that you took, you're going to create your own survey and ask friends, family, anybody that you know your survey question, and then you're going to answer the same questions I did about it. I know you're going to do a great job. Have a great time, first grade. See you tomorrow.